At this very moment, a hidden danger snakes through your walls. Every year across the US, this danger causes over 15,000 fires in homes just like yours. What is this hidden threat to the safety of your home? Surprisingly, it's the ordinary operation of your dryer's exhaust system. You see, the duct in your walls naturally accumulate lint at a rate that will eventually restrict airflow so much that your dryer can no longer vent properly. Left unchecked, the possibility of lint blowback into the dryer's heating element could ignite a fire. There are several factors that contribute to and can accelerate this common fire hazard. Your duct run may be restrictive due to its length or its unusual path. In some parts of the country, birds and small animals build nests that block the exhaust. The hose behind your dryer may be crushed or kinked excessively. The termination hood at the exterior may exhibit screen-like features allowing lint to build up. When it comes to the safety of your home and family, you already have enough to worry about. Today with LintAlert, you can get an important new monitoring device that will alleviate the fear of dryer venting problems and the fires they cause. Proper dryer exhaust airflow plays a key role in safety while helping you maximize energy efficiency in your home. By monitoring the back pressure in the dryer's exhaust duct, the LintAlert warns you of a significant blockage. Disguised as a simple nightlight and pass-through plug, the LintAlert reveals a soft blue illumination in standby mode. As lint builds up over time and restricts airflow, the light bar blockage indicator will progressively illuminate from green to yellow, then to red. As a homeowner, there are few things more comforting than the confidence of knowing you have every safety device available to protect your home and family. Smoke, carbon monoxide, and security alarms all provide a wealth of safekeeping. Until now, there was no way to monitor the dryer's risk of lint buildup and the related danger it carried with it. Keep in mind that LintAlert can provide notice when there's a significant blockage in your dryer's exhaust run, but it does not replace regular inspection and maintenance. When debuted at the 2009 National Hardware Show in Las Vegas, the LintAlert took first place in New Product World, first place in New Product Launch, and won a Retailer's Choice Award. The LintAlert, the first back pressure sensing device for the dryer. Get one today.